In today's project, I'm going to show you how to make a very powerful, highly effective hair repair oil. For those of you who think you cannot use oil to repair your hair, you may be wrong. I'm going to show you why today. So in this project, we're going to use two different emollients, two different essential oil, and two different carrier oil. Then we're going to use an antioxidant. The first ingredient is, so this is the first, my first try, so I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to take another beaker so we can be on the same page. Our first oil for this hair repair oil project is sunflower oil. Why am I using sunflower oil? I'm using sunflower oil because it provides the scalp and strand with nutrients needed for your hair to shine and become stronger than it is before. So we're going to use sunflower oil at 10 grams. So measure 10 grams of sunflower oil. To that, we are going to add 20 grams of fractionated coconut oil. Why are we using fractionated coconut oil? It's a natural emollient, which means it's effective at moisturizing and softening your hair and scalp. So it also won't clog your pore. So that's why we're using fractionated coconut oil at 20 grams. The next ingredient on the list is isoamyl laurate. What is isoamyl laurate? It's a natural emollient and a conditioning agent. So if you want to grow a strong and healthy hair, you want to include this in your hair repair oil. So we're going to measure isoamyl laurate at 58.5 grams. In addition to being a conditioner, it's going to make your hair it's going to make your hair oil lighter, so it's not going to be too messy. Don't forget, you can use this hair repair oil. You can add it to your conditioner, or you can add a small amount to your root, to your hand, hair hand. Okay. Next to this is, please bear with me. Next to this, we're going to add vitamin E antioxidant at 0.5 grams. Vitamin E oil is a natural antioxidant, so I added that at 0.5 grams. Then the next ingredient will be our essential oil. Lavender essential oil is the best essential oil for hair repair and hair growth. It promotes hair growth and stimulates your scalp. It's antimicrobial. It prevents and curbs emission. So we're going to measure that at 0.5 grams. Lavender essential oil at 0.5 grams. To that, we're going to add the last ingredient, which is peppermint essential oil, or add that also at 0.5 grams. So all you have to do is to mix it well. Make sure you mix it well because of the vitamin E. Mix it well and package into your bottle. So how do you use this? You're going to add a little bit at a time, okay, a little bit to your hair hand, okay, to your hair hand, okay, to the edge of your hair, okay, not necessarily the root, okay, the hand. And also you can add this to your conditioner. Very, very powerful. You can add this also to your conditioner. It's a very, very effective oil. I hope you enjoy it. This is a very powerful oil. Don't take it for granted. And you ask me, can I leave this on my hair? It all depends on what you are doing, okay? If you want to condition your hair, you can add a little bit of this hair repair oil to your conditioner. Okay, this is going to help to condition the hair. Remember, your conditioner has an emulsifier, so it's not going to make the hair stay on the oil stay on your hair. Also, you can add a little bit, just a little bit to your hair hand, okay, to prevent breakage and excessive dryness. Another thing you can do is you want to apply to your whole hair. Make sure you spray your hair with some water, okay? So the water is going to act like a binder so that you don't experience excessive hair or oil in your hair. I hope you love this video. Give it a try and don't forget to come back and drop your comment. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to make another interesting and very effective DIY. So until then, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification icon to be notified of my next video. Don't forget to package your oil. Make sure you package it separately, okay, so that you can add your oil a little bit at a time to your beauty product. This is for the hair and not for the skin. You ask me, can I use this for the skin? Of course you can, but this is meant. I formulated this especially for hair, okay, because what we have in a very powerful ingredient that you don't want to waste, okay. You can also add a little bit of this to your body moisturizer, okay. It works for the body as well, okay. Thanks for watching me. I'll see you in my next video.